Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable Hibernate option in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So, if the option to hibernate your PC is missing, and you could not hibernate the PC, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily enable PC hibernation or hibernate in PC in this video. So this works on Windows 10 as well as on Windows 11. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you can enable Hibernate option in Windows 10 and Windows 11 using CMD, that is the command prompt, using your Windows 10 or Windows 11 registry, and of course using the power option. So here I'm going to show you how to use power option to enable Hibernate in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable Hibernate in Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Then click on control panel, or better still, search for control panel. Then click on it to open it. Once open control panel, you can either come to power option here, or from the control panel page, come here and search for power option. Then you should see your power options. Click on that. Now you'll be taken to the power options on your Windows 11. On the left side, locate and click on choose what the power button do. Click on that. And here you should see Hibernate. So for you to show Hibernate in power menu, you need to check Hibernate. So that's the reason why you see Hibernate option missing. You see that? Now, to enable the option to hibernate on Windows 11, all you need to do is click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then here, check Hibernate. Now come here and click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, click on the start button again. Click on the power button, then you should see option to hibernate your PC. So if you click on this is going to hibernate your Windows 11 PC. Is that turn off the PC but apps stay open? When the PC is turned on, you are back to where you left off. So that is it. So that's exactly how to enable Hibernate in Windows 11 as well as on Windows 10. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.